Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Genesis. Aishem, Ubonko is not coping. Ubonko is crying. Ubonko is in bed. Ubonko feels like his life has just been turned upside down. Why? Because of Umaruna had a child. Now, Ubonko does not still know Uguti who is the baby daddy, and he's not asking about that. He does not care because he thinks Uguti maybe or he's still shocked about the current news, right? But Uguti, who's the baby daddy? Hey, what in no? He's not asking. But here's the thing. Ahambu Gabriel ayobuza kabo Marona ukuthi, was my name mentioned? The audacity this man has. Was my name mentioned? If my name was mentioned, you will better make sure ukuthi you squash that name, because I don't want to be appearing on things. Guys, you can see like how self-centered can a person be? But nonetheless, ayokumfazwa kamtshela ukuthi this is where we are because of you. You encourage this couple, you encourage them to have a relationship, so you deal with it. And because me, in particular, I was against it. And then when you said, hey, they must get married, hey, what before. So the wife was Felicia. You impregnated this woman, and then I'm the problem. And remember, Felicia now, the only thing running in her head is the promises that they made to each other with her ex-husband, who's now late, now that she married this one. Aisha Ukele is not coping. When she thinks Uguti she's going to lose it all for a lousy man, she is not coping. But he comforted Ubonko, and Bonko accepted the comfort. Does this mean Uguti Felicia will not tell the truth eventually? I don't know. But I think Uguti, the truth should just be said and we move on, right? While Maruna is drinking herself to death, Umamake is like, Kaga Matorokis, Ukobamang, the sister to Maruna Mabatari, you're not supposed to be here because when you are the problem. Hi, Malome Hanusaken na Ari, they is the problem. Hack Matorokis. Ukubilo Shem. Now she's staying with Maruna. Now she has to deal with the drunk Maruna because she's the all-rounder of the family because she's literally broke. So now she has to do everything and anything that anybody will not do in the family. Sisabheke leyo, Ishmael sekazoba ne-ID. Sekazoba ne-ID, sekazoba Ishmael Dr. Kuma. Like, guys, okay, but was he born on the streets? He doesn't remember his surname. Doesn't remember his date of birth, but nonetheless, he's going to be Ishmael Dr. Kumalo, born the 25th of December. ID is coming tomorrow. He'll be a certified citizen of South Africa.